Oh, yeah, I saw this. Elon Musk just mixing it up on Twitter.
Yeah, I figure we can talk about it.
He's mixing it up. He says, thinking of quitting my jobs and becoming an influencer full-time. WDYT, what do you think? And, of course, Mr. Beast, you know, you can't miss an opportunity like this to get underneath a tweet like this. So he goes, I'll coach you on how to get YouTube views. So matter of fact, so casual. It's like, well, yeah, you're full of views over there, aren't you, Mr. Beast?
Yeah.
He's like
overflowing.
Yeah, he's like, I got a mug full of views over here.
Yeah.
What you need, man? And then, of course, somebody under that is trying to give people $20. If we can ratio Mr. Beast's reply, I'll send one follower $20. That's not. I don't think that's working out, though, because the initial tweet from Elon is still crushing. He doesn't mean this. He's joking around. And
as he does.
Yeah, and that's fine. He's joking around. The funny thing about it is he is an influencer. Maybe the world's biggest influencer, or one of them.
Yeah, no kidding.
And he can do his jobs at the same time. So I don't know. There's really no advantage to giving up those other jobs unless he's trying to relax, in which case, if this wasn't a joke and he's trying to relax and just do the influencing portion and get out the boardroom, then whatever, go for it. But this is a joke. I'm telling you right now, this is a joke. I don't know what investors think about it, but